but you know that already. When I found you on the ground in the darkness, now you come into my yard and invite you. When you see me on the edge, no. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. Yeah. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. Yeah, babe. Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you come, I come. And then you go again with your deaf ears. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in the feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and fire. Alright, so I just finished washing my dishes, and now I am about to season my meat. I'm sorry if I don't talk, because I really don't talk when I'm cooking either. I normally just play music and I'm just really silent. I don't know, sometimes I just be in my head, just be thinking, or I just be focusing on what I'm doing. So there's not going to be too much talking, but I am going to show everything that I do. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I can't cry now from the side now, come on, fall down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you, for you. I won't wait for you. I won't wait for you.
We don't gas, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.
Alright, so I did dust it a little bit with this, not to fry it, but I don't want any soggy pieces of skin. I want it to be like a little crisp, because I am making quote unquote like stewed chicken, or like chicken and rice, and yeah, I don't want it to be too soggy.
I no go feed the guys out. I'm on my industry to talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the baba cry yo, don't cry yo. I need you no and shadow. And the people and shadow. And the people and shadow. 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 And the people and shadow. And the people and shadow. And the people and shadow. I did what I got when they kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani Churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want.
Alright, so I just added my peppers and my I just cut up an onion. I didn't cut up too much because I only have a sweet onion. And I just realized I don't have any garlic powder, and all my garlic cloves are stale. So not garlic. Yeah, garlic or onion powder. Yeah, whatever. I didn't have any onion powder. Oh yeah, and don't do what I just did. Do not scrape the bottom of this. Get like a silicone or something like that. Alright, and we're probably going to pair it with some basmati rice. I either thought about this or some veterans parboiled rice. And then some snap peas. Some of the parboiled rice. So which one would you use? I know this is given stew, like gumbo dish. But this rice is really good. Like, you brown it a little bit, and yeah. The only thing I don't like about parboiled rice is when it's old, you have to basically like recook it again, like splash some water on it and like warm it up. Because if you try and warm it up straight out of the refrigerator, it tastes like bricks. So I don't know which one to do. So you tell me, comment down below, which one would you do? Would you do basmati rice, white rice, parboiled rice? Let me know.
I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. I have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 I need people and shadow.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in the bay, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel that? Look in my eyes. Do you find the light? Do you feel the light? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Look in my eyes.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like after I added the water and flour. My mom taught me that trick when she was over here one time and she made neck bones. so it's not as soupy. You got like a thick texture, but it's not cakey. It's still a little watery. And then I did add some to this one as well, but I just literally did it, so it's not what is it called? It's not thick yet, so stay tuned for that. And then these still kind of taste like boiled peanuts, so they're not ready. All right, y'all, so y'all know I live in Florida, so the quality is changing because it's gloomy outside. It is hurricane season as well, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it some rice. I don't need that much, but for presentation to fill up this plate.